Hi guys, look at this nice box with these Latvian symbols. It says hAP series, which is a nice coincidence because I'm pretty happy today because it's always a nice feeling to hold a solid MikroTik device. And what's inside the box? Once again, I'm asking you, what's in the box? What is this thing? It is the little tool that allows you mounting the hAP ac³ in different positions. So today's topic is hAP ac³ LTE6 kit. And before we dive into all the bells and whistles of this nice device, I want to show you how simple it is to mount it vertically, or you can just switch it up and mount it like this. Very handy. It comes off easily, but also it will not fail you. It doesn't come off, but if you need it to come off, very easy. So easy. It's actually quite fun. But then again, see? Very sturdy. But don't do this. So why are we discussing hAP ac³ or cubed LTE6 today? Well, two reasons. First of all, it is a good home router. Always ready to talk to you about good devices. And the second reason, it is in stock with so many distributors. And I know that you guys are always looking for the devices in stock. So let me just get rid of this box and tell you more about this great device. So if we look at what's inside, of course you can find the router with more ports or maybe more features. But if you combine all the features in one device, I could not find, for example, I was browsing Amazon, I was not able to find a single device which has all these features for the same price. So what are the features? First of all, we see 5 gigabit Ethernet ports, which is nice. Nothing surprising. It's not like there would be 5 2.5 gigabit ports. Just a solid, good gigabyte ports, which is enough for most households. It has a strong quad-core CPU, and it has a full-sized USB port, which is nice because you can add, for example, extra storage. And there's a funny detail here. If you pull this little thing, you get all the necessary information that we are obligated by law to have here, like certification and stuff like that. But when you don't need it, boom, it goes away. So, 5 gigabit Ethernet ports, a very powerful modern CPU, 256 megabytes of RAM. But here's the cool part. It has a built-in LTE6 modem. So you always have a backup. You have your ISP Ethernet cable, but you can also put, here's a slot, a micro SIM card, and have mobile internet up to 300 megabits. So the way I would be using this, that's actually something I do in my home. I know that a lot of my colleagues are laughing at me for this type of use case, and they say, Victors, come on, just buy 2 devices. I'm not buying 2 devices. I have my micro SIM card when I go to my countryside, because I don't have a really nice countryside, so I don't visit it all that often. I go there like once a month. I take this router with me, and then I have mobile internet wherever I go, because the micro SIM card is just, I take the one that comes with my phone. This might get you banned from your mobile operator if you use the same SIM card. We have a video by Druvis how to circumvent that, so the mobile operator doesn't see that you are using it for hotspot like that. So you can watch that. But there are many use cases. But my main point is this. This device, the combination of LTE6 modem with micro SIM, the 5 gigabit Ethernet ports, the strong CPU and everything, this exact package, in my opinion, is one of the best on the market still. Because this is not one of our newest devices, right? And also, I don't see a lot of routers that are designed like this. I think it's very cool looking. If you do agree, well, contact your MikroTik distributor and get one of these. They are still in stock in so many distributors. And the built-in LTE6 modem, it is quite good. For example, it has carrier aggregation, which means using several LTE bands at the same time. And for me personally, it has been a game changer, because the place where I have my garden, I said countryside, but it's a small garden with a small house. All my neighbors are also using mobile internet, and we even have a tower not that far away. But when I switched to LTE6 with carrier aggregation, I got more speed at the cost of my neighbors having less speed. Because if you don't have carrier aggregation and someone has, you are basically, well, I wouldn't say stealing, but you are getting more bandwidth from the tower because your device, it communicates more, right? Than a device that only uses one band. So yeah, it can increase your speed if you don't have carrier aggregation at the moment. So guys, hAP, ac³, LTE6. Don't get confused with the regular hAPs. This one has the built-in LTE modem, hence the price. Check it out, and it is still very good. It's not the newest one, but it gets so many jobs done. It is powerful, it is cool looking, and it is in stock. Go check it out.